What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. I've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Galaxy Fold 3 here. After using the Fold 3 for several weeks, there's one major thing that the Fold 3 can do much better than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. In fact, most Samsungs can do this thing better than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, this has an incredibly fast processor. It has plenty of RAM, and you can multitask on this phone. So switching between applications is as easy as swiping up on the home button, and then you can easily go between applications. Now this does a pretty good job of keeping applications open and running in the background so that you're not having to wait on them to open from scratch. But when it comes to running multiple applications at the same time, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is limited to 2 screens. So with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, you can do picture-in-picture with YouTube and have it floating over another application, but it is limited to those 2 screens. So with the Fold 3, you can do the same thing. You can swipe up on the home button to open multiple applications. These applications also do stay open in the background, and they're ready to use without having to reload from scratch. But there's one thing that you can do that is far superior to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that's you can have multiple screens. You can have up to 4 usable screens at once. So the easiest way to do this is to grab the Edge panel here. I'm going to grab the Chrome browser and swipe it over, and then I'm going to open up another application, YouTube. So now I've got 2 windows, and let's check out Instagram. That's my 3rd window. Okay, and so I could do another application here like a floating YouTube or any kind of pop-up window that I wanted to drag over here. All right, so now that I have my 3 applications open, I can adjust these here. So I can kind of flip these around and customize it to my preference. I can even make these bigger or smaller, and I can get rid of them altogether. All right, once I have a multi-window that I really enjoy or that I'm going to use all the time, I can hit the 3 buttons there and I can save that to my Edge panel, and now that is easily accessible. So if I swipe that away now, go back to my Edge panel, I can easily bring that particular multi-window back up. So when it comes to multitasking, the Galaxy Fold 3 is a powerhouse phone. This is probably the best phone on the market for multitasking. If you got a lot of work to do, I could definitely see where you could have like some work applications open, some social media applications open, or maybe if you're checking out the stock market on the top screen and you're looking at Twitter or Instagram, or maybe at Discord on one of the other screens, this is definitely a huge benefit when it comes to multitasking on the Fold 3. So what do you guys think? Is the iPhone 12 Pro Max fully capable at multitasking, or would you prefer something like a Galaxy Fold 3? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.